Today I'm going to be reviewing Yindu's electric whiskey smoker, built-in lighter, and 6 wood chips. No butane needed. I want to thank Yindu's for sending this to me to review. Let's open the box, take a look at what we got in there, and then let's smoke some whiskey. Alright, before we get into making the whiskey, I just want to show you what comes inside that box. You can get 6 canisters of sawdust, pecan, cherry, beech, pear, oak, and then apple. I just wanted to have that open. You can see what it looks like. You do get a spoon so you can, take out the sawdust into there. You do get a little cleaner brush. This is what the unit looks like. Power on light. And what happens is this just spins and opens up. That's what the back looks like. This is going to sit over the cup. Now, the most important thing before we get smoking is this little piece right here. This is to prevent any issues between the unit and on your cup. You always put one of those in there. Then this tray right there, what to do is you're going to take a scoop of the sawdust, and hopefully you don't spill it like the first time I did. And then we're going to put this unit on top, and then we're going to get our whiskey in our cup, and I'm going to show you how this works. First, we got to turn the power on. The light however you want it. Now just hit the power button again, and it takes about 22 seconds, and you're going to see the smoke there, and you're good to go. Alright, I took the top off. You can see the smoke in there a little bit. Pretty cool, really fast, 22 seconds. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.7 stars, and last month 100 plus of these were sold. Wow. Remember, I used the apple right there. Smells really good. I think we got a winner, everyone. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.